Hi guys, welcome to Del's Videos. Now today I'm going to just do the unboxing of this product here. Now this is the DATYSON Guidescope. Now it's 50mm diameter, 190mm focal length. Now this product is generic and it goes under several different brand names. In actual fact there's no markings on it to say what brand it is, but that's it. Let's get on with the unboxing, folks. Okay, hope you enjoy this video and thanks for watching. Now taking this out of the main packaging, and we'll have a little look inside. There we are. Now that to me looks well packed. A nice foam there, very strong, very rigid. And there is our scope. Now I'll chuck the packaging out of the way as it blows around the garden. Incidentally, I hate plastic. It's everywhere, but unfortunately in our society it seems to be quite necessary. Or is it? Maybe one day somebody will come up with a way around using plastics. Anyway, we're drifting. Now this 50mm diameter, 190mm focal length guide scope. Now you've got a nice lens cap on this end and a cap on the other end. There we are. It's dead simple. Now this knob here locks the focuser like so, and this here, if I can just loosen it up a little bit, is a helical focuser, which is very fine tuning. There we are, you can see that going in there like so. So that looks all okay. Feels nice and stiff. You know, yeah, that's good. That's good. Happy with that. And these two thumb screws tighten your camera, the snout or the mouth of your camera, whatever you want to call it. And there is a thread on this end. What for, I don't know. Maybe for various filters. I'm not sure about that. Others will know, I'm sure. Now the thumb screws that hold the scope, in actual fact, they're very good. They're brass, or I think they're brass anyway. Maybe not. Anyway, they're chromium plated or cadmium plated, and they have a little plastic button on the end so that the shaft of your scope isn't marked or pressed in or damaged in any way. So what we'll do is just undo those like so. We can slide it out either way. We can undo this thumb screw, or we can take off the lens cap and slide it either way. But I've chosen to do it this way. Now I will put a thumb screw back in because I am forgetful. There. As you can see, there we are, there's your lens. Now if we unscrew this part here, now I'm not sure what you call it, a dew shield maybe, the lens drops out because I've just done it. And it's easy enough to put back in, it's no problem, but there's no washers or O-rings or anything to sort of bed that lens on. So if you do happen to loosen this for any reason, when you tighten up, do so very carefully for fear of chipping or damaging the lens. I'm not too happy with that, but then I don't know anything about these guide scopes, so maybe that's par for the course, I don't know. That basically is it. I mean, it feels nice, it's good. It's just over 600 grams, I think, complete. and what's that, 12, 20, 21 ounces roughly. It's nicely machined, except for the saddle. The saddle itself is machined, underneath it's not too clever. Anyway, the two Allen screws holding the rings on, and as you can see here, I don't know if you can see in actual fact, there are 3 threaded holes here. I'm not quite sure of the sizes actually. I know one's metric because I've tried a screw in it, I've tried a metric bolt in it, so I know it's metric, and I guess the other one's the old imperial system. I'm not sure, it's something, you know, you'll work out if ever you have to use them to rig something else up. So that's it, my friends. I'm looking at it like this out of the box. It looks absolutely fine. Can't fault it one bit, as I say, out of the box. Now here's one thing I did notice, that the wedge here is rather small, and I must admit I've already tried this on my Skywatcher 80mm Apo, and just to see if it fits or not, because the literature says it fits like all the major telescope manufacturers, but in actual fact that's too loose. So that's about 1/8 of an inch or 3mm too narrow, so you'd have to pack that out somehow if you're using it on on some scopes, I would guess. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to show you now how I mounted it on my scope with a bit of old DIY. So it's not a problem. I mean, I think all of us who are messing around with telescopes, cameras, or electronics generally, we tend to sort of do a lot of DIY, don't we? Anyway guys, that's it for now. I will do a proper review later on to see how it actually works when we get some clear skies, which won't be probably for, I don't know, a couple of months I would guess, the way things are going here at the moment in Thailand. Very, very grim weather. Okay folks, hope you enjoyed that, hope it was useful for you. Okay, bye. Well, thank you a lot for watching this video. If it's of any interest to you, perhaps you'd like to visit my YouTube channel and maybe leave a comment, a like, or a subscription. Anyway, there are many more videos on my channel, so perhaps I may have used you. Thanks for watching, bye.